Big news coming in. This is an exclusive update from Pune with regard to the killer Porsche crash that happened. Multiple attempts to save this minor age driver who shouldn't have been on the wheels in the first place and was allegedly intoxicated too. And how multiple attempts were made by this influential family in Pune to save him, even though it led to the loss of life of two young IT engineers. Government hospital doctors have been taken into custody because they also tried to save this minor age driver. We are told, and we have confirmation of the details of the names. One Dr. Ajay Taure and Dr. Srihari Harnoor have been arrested by the police. The cops have arrested the medical superintendent of the hospital. So if you thought the allegations are only against the cops in this case, the government hospital also here is facing allegations. The allegation is that a blood sample that, remember, was tested because there were visuals coming in that when the alcohol test was done, it came as no alcohol found, but then the visuals came. He was at a pub, appeared to be drinking liquor. How did it not show in the test? Omkar Vable is joining me for the latest on that. Omkar, so does it look like that even the government hospital, the forensic department doctors were involved to swap the sample so the alcohol does not show in this minor age driver's test?
Exactly, very shocking. But this is the second incident of tampering with the evidence in this Porsche car accident. Before that, even the police were found that they were defaulting and they were trying to tamper all the evidences, including the main accused father. He also tried to manipulate whole interrogation. And after that, we can see there are two persons related to forensic lab who were taking the blood and who were taking all the blood reports to the crime branch. Interestingly, those blood reports are also, we can say there are some irregularities, and the samples which they collected on the same night, there are also some issues are going on, and that is why police have already arrested two, and they will be produced in front of court, in front of session court by the afternoon. So one of them is the dean of that forensic lab, and second one is the assistant, which belongs to the government authority and the government hospital.
Omkar, how has the investigation been like? Because there have been cops who are suspended, there have been arrests now in this case, but this definitely is more disturbing because one would assume that at least the government hospital doctors in this case would follow the protocol. If there is alcohol, it will show in the test. But had it not been, can we say, because of that CCTV image from the pub, from the bar, this minor age driver could have actually got away because of the corruption in the system here due to this influential family?
Exactly. Since the beginning, question was being raised on the whole investigation, and secondly, the favorism towards the minor accused. So now we can see it's exactly been a week. If we go back and if we go through the whole chronology, we can see there is no crystal clearance in all things which are going through the investigation. Like there are different circles which yet to complete, but step by step, when the crime branch is going ahead in this investigation, we can see there were irregularities in the whole investigation. Also, the forensic lab experts are also involved in all these things. So, issue is the grandfather of minor accused and father of minor accused, they all tried to tamper with the evidence. They all tried to manipulate the facts, and now on which the case is going to be based on. But the thing is, all issues and all the, we can say, all the evidences which are getting tampered, and they tried to manipulate the things.
Imagine, and Omkar, stay on with me, because to even imagine that for a family to give the keys to a 7-year-old. I know my parents refused to give me the keys of the vehicle when I was 17. Definitely not until I had a proper driving test and a license. To have a luxury vehicle, Porsche, go to a bar, get served alcohol allegedly as it appears, drive on the streets in Pune, lead to the loss of life of two people, and then also get away because there are doctors ready to allegedly swap the samples as the investigation, as the arrest has happened, and in this case shows perhaps a reflection of what an influential family can use their money and muscle power. Thank you very much for now, as Omkar Vable continues and all our team on the ground to get us update on this big story from Pune.